Online marketing tips: the best advice out there on marketing your website. Are you trying to get your website out there for everyone to see? We have the best tips out there on marketing your website. Follow our helpful pointers and you will see your internet business grow to be bigger than you ever thought possible. Read on to see how easy it is. Your headers should contain your keywords. Search engines consider the keywords that are in the headline and subheads to be the most important to the page. Make sure your descriptive, targeted keywords or key phrases appear in at least 1 or 2 header tags, the more the better. Make sure you do set up a Twitter account to increase your internet marketing and presence. The platform is different than Facebook, so make sure you spend some time learning how it works. It can be a great tool to share your business and interact with your customer base. To get search engine traffic from other websites, write a guest post. Many websites welcome guest posters, and will link back to your site every time you contribute. If a website has a higher page ranking than you, getting traffic through their site can significantly increase your own page rank in a short period of time. Offering limited time promotions can give you impressive results in internet marketing, just as it can through more traditional channels. One feature of special offers that makes them particularly attractive is that they drum up business from both loyal customers and new business. When you offer a special bargain, everyone sits up and takes notice. A key to successful internet marketing is to never limit yourself and believe that goals are unattainable. Success sometimes will happen by chance, but more than likely it is from hard work in marketing your business. Setting a goal for having 1,000 visitors a week might be excellent in the beginning of your business, but after some time do not forget to increase these goals and always work towards more. A memorable slogan can be a powerful internet marketing asset. Slogans offer small businesses the same kind of brand recognition enjoyed by giant corporations. Good slogans are those that stick in website visitors' heads. If visitors remember nothing about an online business except its slogan, they can still find it again, and they might very well do so. Inform your customers and potential customers that you are using a secured server for your ordering system. Reassure everyone that you are doing everything within reason to protect their private financial and personal information. It's important that they know that you care about their online privacy and are doing everything that you can to protect them. Provide examples of problems that people may be looking for a resolution to, and very subtly, weave in a recommendation of a quality product in the content. This will make it very easy for the readers to find the product as soon as they are ready to make the purchase. As much as you can, utilize the meta and title description tags as wisely as possible. These tags are the best way to avoid supplemental pages. Give each page its own description and title, and do not repeat more than 1/4 of the title or description tag's content on other pages. To market more successfully using the internet, you should look into every possible social network you can, as an opportunity for customers. This means Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, MySpace, as well as many others. This can almost guarantee that you will reach a large number of potential customers, in a very short amount of time. It also creates new customers through friend linking. As you can see, there are many ways you can market and grow your internet business. With our proven and helpful tips, you will be well on your way to having the internet website you have always wanted. What are you waiting for? Get out there and market your website. We also recommend you check out this free offer, the 5-Minute Profit Sites.